I'll share with you one of our newest product. It's called AIA Max Protect. And initially, this product is created for life insurance. And then nung inaral ko siyang maigi, that's why I'm sharing with you. Inaral ko siyang maigi, pwede siyang gamitin for retirement. No, mag-ipon na tayo sa retirement and then nakakalibre ka ng insurance. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano nangyari yun. No? So, quick summary. Kunyari, no, age 20 female yung kumuha. Nag-save lang on a regular basis for Max Protect. No? Mula ngayon hanggang age 65. No? Pare-pareho lang yung basis natin. So magkano yung masasave niya? At age 65, magkakaroon siya for that plan ng guaranteed cash value na 1,035,260. Tapos may non-guaranteed dividends yung plan na to kasi participating plan. So let's say at 3.9% per annum na returns for the dividends, that's 446,009 pesos. If you add those, the total savings mo at age 65 is 1.481,269. Yung premium niya is 24,653. Yun yung isa-save mo every year. So parang 2,000 a month. Alright, for 45 years, kasi nagsisave ka lang. Nagsisave ka lang sa banko or for your retirement. Retirement ka, so wag kang tumigil, di ba? Ang total noon, 1.1 million lang. 1,109,385. Pero at age 65, meron ka nang naipon na 1.481,269. Kung hindi mo yan ginalaw sa at age 65, sa age 75 mo na siya ginalaw kasi meron tong benefits ng critical illness hanggang age 75. No, so yung guaranteed cash value mo, it goes up to 1.190 million, almost 1.2 million. And then the non-guaranteed dividends, 870,000. So when you add those two, 2,060,680. So yung 1.1 million mo na almost double na siya by age 75 or even at age 65. Diba? Pwede mo siyang withdrawin. So nag-save ka lang for retirement, na-insured ka for the next 45 years. And I'll show you ano ba yung mga coverage nito. No? So with 1 million face amount, times 2 nun yung life insurance. So 2 million life insurance, may 1 million ka na total and permanent disability, may 1 million ka na personal accident insurance, may 1 million ka na 10 critical illnesses, no? Yung major illnesses like cancer, heart attack, stroke, kidney failure. Right? Nilagyan natin ng 3,000 hospital income benefit in case of hospitalization. Makaka-reimburse ka ng 3,000 per night sa hospital. And then may enhanced waiver of premium in case maging total and permanent disability or disabled ka. And then, or magka-claim ng critical illness, mawa-waive na yung mga premiums hanggang age 65. So all in all, 24,652.67 lang per year. Or yung nabanggit ko nga kanina, 1.1 million total premium. Pero by age 65, 1.4 million na. Almost 1.5 yung pera mo. At age 75, 2 million na siya. Alright? So ito yung table. Merong gantong table yung bawat policy. Makikita mo, magbabayad ka from age 20 to 65. Alright, tapos ito yung sinasabi ko mga cash value niya. No? Yung cash value, yung letter A, guaranteed yan. So, promise na yan ang plan. And then there's a non-guaranteed potential to earn dividends. Pag inad mo yon, the total living benefits, no? Yung A plus C na table. So, dyan ko kinuha yan. Meron yan. No? Sinamarize ko na lang for easier and faster understanding. Who can avail people, yung insured, pwedeng from age 0, batang-bata, hanggang age 65, pwedeng insured dito. Alright, so pwede tayong kumuha niyan. The minimum face amount is 500,000, can be lower than what I showed you. So depende sa budget mo, just let me know. If you are interested, just, for quotations, just send me your full name, your birth date, yung occupation mo, your mobile number, and let me know how much face amount, magkano coverage, no? Kung gusto mo rin yung 1 million face amount din. Let me know your budget. We can probably play around with it kung ano yung pwede nating ma-cover for you, and then I'll customize whatever is best for you. So what you need to do is just message me. Go to my Facebook page, that's DJ De Maliwat, or go to facebook.com/DJ De Maliwat Official. So that's it for this video. Sobrang important na makapag-prepare tayo for retirement. Sobrang na-excite na ako sa product na to kasi makakapag-ipon tayo for retirement and yet insured tayo. So parang we're hitting 2 or 3 stones, no, at one. 'Di ba? 3 goals at one stone, 'di ba? Hitting 3 birds at one stone. 'Di ba? May life insurance, may retirement, and for some, applicable pa even health insurance kasi may critical illness coverage. So nagustuhan mo itong plan na to? Comment Now, leave a comment in the comment section. What do you like best about this product? And if you have questions, send me a message or leave a comment section. Now, sasagutin ko yan as soon as I can. So, that's it for this video. See you again soon.